Hello guys! Today we are going to tell you how you can edit PDF without install software.
Welcome to the place.
So let's start. First, go to website Sajeda. So open it. Now we're going to upload the file. Here is you can change what you want. Check the process.
Design Institute. It starts with you. Blueprints scrawled, visions unwind, crafting the future through heart and mind. Symphonies of shapes, bold and true. Design Institute. It starts with you. Design Institute, where dreams take flight, turning shadows into light. Innovation sparks in all we do. Design Institute. It starts with you. Minds collide with endless scope, building bridges on beams of hope. Fingers mold what thoughts
Check the
pursue.
process. Now our PDF is ready. It's not fake. Now I can download, check the changes, you can see. Please like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.